Last time then we looked at the interior angles of different polygons. So for a square, we will know that each of these angles of the square inside are 90 degrees each. Now, they're the interior angles of this shape. What we're interested today, though, are the exterior angles of each shape. So, to find the exterior angles, we just extend the line of the shape, each line, and then we would find the exterior angle that goes with the interior angle. So, if we have a look at this one that I've just extended and put the angle in here, we can see that it's on a straight line, and the two angles on that straight line there must add up to 180 degrees. So that exterior angle there is 90 degrees. This exterior angle here is also 90 degrees. This one is 90 degrees. And this final one is also 90 degrees. Now, with this shape, it had four sides, four interior angles, therefore it had four exterior angles. If we have a look at the four exterior angles, they're all 90 degrees. And if we was to add up all four angles, then we will see that the exterior angles on this shape all add up to 360 degrees. That's for a four-sided shape and a square. But what about a pentagon? Now, last time we discussed a pentagon. Now, on the left here, we've got what we call a regular pentagon. And on the right here, we've got what is called an irregular pentagon. Now, if we have a look closely, they both have five sides. That's something they have in common. On the left-hand side, it's a regular pentagon because all the sides are all exactly the same length, and all these interior angles here are all equal as well. Now, on the right, the irregular pentagon, some of the sides in particular, this one's much longer than the other ones, and some of the angles here are much, much bigger than this one here, for example. But we can still find the exterior angles of these shapes. So if we focus on the regular pentagon, then we, from last time, discovered and we calculated that each of these interior angles was 108 degrees. If you've forgotten that, then look back at last lesson and the video on interior angles. Now, because we know what each of the interior angles are, and again, I can just extend on each angle and work out each of the exterior angles. So on this one, I know that's 72 degrees because 108 add 72 is 180. And if I do that around the shape, then I know because it's a regular shape, all these exterior angles here are all going to be 72 degrees as well. Now, what do I notice on this one? This time, it's got five exterior angles, five angles that are 72 degrees. So if I was to add up all five angles of 72 degrees, then I'm going to end up once again with 360 degrees. That's one thing that is common about all regular shapes and irregular shapes, whether they've got three sides, four sides, five sides or more, the exterior angles always add up to 360 degrees. So if we have a look at this regular hexagon, there's two ways we can go about finding the exterior angles. So we can draw them on, ready. We can work out the interior angles, which is something we did last time, and then take each one away from 180 to find out what one exterior angle is. Or, as we've just discovered, the exterior angles always add up to 360 degrees on any shape. So on this one here, we've got 6 exterior angles. So to find the size of one, I need to divide 360 by 6. Now work through the bus stop method. So 6 does not go into 3, so we will carry the 3, make that 36. 6 goes into 36 6 times with no remainder, and 6 goes into 0 times. So each of those angles here are 60 degrees. So write them in. Now from that, we could also know that this interior angle goes with this 60 on the outside, So it must be 120 degrees because those two angles are on a straight line and therefore they must add up to 180 degrees. And again, we can fill in the remainder as well. So what we've learned today then is that the exterior angles of any polygon with any number of sides always adds up to 360 degrees. And we can use this fact, especially for a regular shape, to find out each exterior angle. Okay, I will pause the video at this point now and make some key notes. After that, I would like you to have a go at this main task. So again, you need to pause it, have a go at the main task, and then when you're ready, press play again, just to make some final notes and have a look at a checking question. So some key points from today's lesson then. The exterior angle, the angle on the outside, and the interior angle next to it always add up to 180 degrees. That's key point number one. An exterior angle, all of them all together around the shape always add up to 360 degrees. Key point number two. If the shape is a regular shape, therefore all the angles and all the sides are equal, then to find an exterior angle, we simply divide 360 degrees by the number of sides the shape has got. Key point number three. Key point number four, to calculate the number of sides a shape has, we divide 360 degrees by the size of its exterior angle. Okay, finally, the checking question for today. The diagram here shows part of a regular polygon. The interior angle here is 150 degrees. Can you use that exterior angle there to help you work out how many sides this polygon has in total? Good luck with that.